Yes, so this is the road for Chamber Ground. You know, there's no road no more. It's all covered in trees. The only good thing that Melissa do is take down all these big trees. You know, see zinc come all the way. Look at that. Those are zinc. And the closest house is probably half a mile away. Let's Some of these come from my goat pen, probably. But look at that, zinc everywhere. We're on also. They ain't gone up on the hill to them, man. Oh. They ain't walk gone up on the hill up, so. See, look at that. Zinc all the way around here. All the way around in the bush. We're on Chamber Ground Road. Around my farm area. So because most of the tree devastated and everything, we just let out the goat and let they go go in the hills and look for food. This is Chamber Ground, man. I don't know when this is gonna come back to. Because I don't know, nobody don't want to clear the road. You know? Alright, come on. No, the road is bad. Yeah, this is acres and acres of land. It's all look like this, man. Storm over here in Jamaica is big and bad and beautiful. Just try to show you how it is here in the country. It's hard to tell you how bad it is on the camera, you know? Yeah. So I'm just trying to show you just a little synapse bit what's going on here in Jamaica, you know? In the country. Give you a wider view. Everybody showing the city and in the town. I show you in the bush. Look at that. Over there. All these trees, probably 100 years old. Probably 100 years old and it's on the side. Look on the metal. This come off somebody's house. There's somewhere over there in the bush. All those come off somebody's house. The closest house is far away. They probably come from miles away. Probably some come from my goat house too, from my goat barn. Yeah, look up there. Whew. Just try to show you what's going on. Those are zinc still on the ground, you know. This zinc still on the ground. So this used to be Vaughn house. And this is what left of Vaughn house. Nothing. You know the song, I have nothing. Nothing. Melissa gone with it. Yeah. See, only thing left is the foundation. So when you're in the US and don't understand what's going on here in Jamaica, man, this is what's going on here. Somebody's life wiped out. And he was in it when they started to blow over. He just barely escaped. You know?
Why? What big rat?
Look at this now, flashlight. So one flashlight to take up with that. That's still good.
Good see you,
Yeah, just want to charge. Lift up that. I'll get one.
probably the sewer falling nice.
Lift up that and see if one of that. Yeah.
I blew you.
No, lift up and see now.
Watch out, blow.
Just see that good here.
Blow good grease.
No, no.
A protector.
Surge protector. That's his rooftop right there. You know. So if you're looking at one of my video, you will see all here used to be peppers, peppers, peppers. Peppers up on top of Scotch bonnet peppers. And everything is just root out by the root. Just my irrigation system still. It's still up. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Come, come, come. Everything is just rooted out and gone. You know? Yeah. Where? Oh. What up? What up? What up? What up? Here is one of the goats. You know the calling. What's up? He's a pet goat. What's up? We call him Russ. This is Plumber Farm over here in Jamaica, you know? It's all gone. Everything wiped out from the farm. I feel what I don't know, we don't feel one out here.
But man, I got on up here.
Yeah. Can I bring somebody on TV?
Man, now go give me fi charge my phone. He got me charge.
Where your phone is?
Freaking on us.
Hey, what's up? Come here, come, 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 come. He's not a wild goat, but today is, yeah. The rest is over there in the bushes somewhere. And I'll just leave them at they do what they do, you know? What? That's the dust. Oh.
Yeah, tapping nice. Where?
There's still a pepper tree right here. Your phone want charge? Where your phone?
I
Okay, so done your argument. Alright. Here is some pepper tree that left over. The stump. Over there used to be the old pen. The pen for the goat. This is where we used to let out the goat. But it's all blown down in the storm. Everything gone through the storm. Yeah. Everything gone. Gone away. Everything gone. So thank you for your support, thank you for your subscribe, thank you for your like, thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. It's Plumber Farm. We rise once, we'll rise again. You know, never give up the fight, you know. So it is. Plumber Farm. It's gone, it's all gone. Used to be right there. Material gone, but it's still here in my mind, you know. I had to go to those. Yes. Yes. This is what Melissa do, man. Hurricane is really here in Jamaica. It's all gone. On the way to my farm to show you what's going on here on my farm. Why you not take that much your back gate? Oi, sit down, come up here, so. Where you kill him? Up here, so. Over where? So I can take into your back gate. The back gate can't pull. What up? No. Come run and go with them. So this is what left after the hurricane, you know. In top buck. Run them run, sir. Run them run, sir. Run them run our van. Yes. Go on, may I come. Run them run. May I come. Huh? Then go way around, so? Oh, you follow him? Where around way? So this used to be my goat pen with my goat house, and this is what left of it. This used to be the fridge for the medication. So most of the goat them that save, they save because they hide underneath the step, underneath the ramp. So that's what saved most of the goats. See, this is used to be the goat house, and everything it's over there in the pile. So this used to be the bottom of my goat house, all the way back here. So this used to be, these posts, all of these posts used to be holding up my goat house. And everything gone. Everything went over here. So this is where we pile everything. So this is what Melissa do to me, but don't worry, because we still have life, you know. Other people lost way more than this. Some people lose their life. Whatever I lose. Oh, see card here. P Wi-Fi extender. Take up, can you roll up this after me? Yeah, roll up the one. Yeah, man, I eat that. Alright, this up. See, just roll up the white one.
Wow.
Yeah, roll up. Look at the plug there. Too. Yeah, man. Yeah, roll up it still good.
So what? Yeah, be a shit pan him. No, I'm going to shit up.
Do you wash off in my out?
Shit can't come off your neck as a thing.
Just roll up the thing and wash off it. It's Jamaica. Roll up that one too. Try to salvage what I can find, you know. Just roll up the thing, my youth. You talk too much. What do you mean not good? Why you so lazy, boy? It's alright. So all these used to be on my goat pen, you know. Everything is lying on the ground now. I guess when I built it first, so that used to be the post with the concrete stone around it, and everything just lift up and gone. So this part here was supposed to be the new part of the new house, and it's also gone. Hey, there. Try to salvage, you know. See what left back. Yeah, I notice. carried everything. So there you go, live. Yep. Huh? Yeah, me notice. I see picture of it. I see some video of it. I see some video. Yeah. Wind up the car, let me tell you for wind up. No, the one I'm show you right, so electrical one. Why you tell Maria you for wind up it? Yes, I am. Small goat house, you know. I lose a lot of goats. A lot of goats right here. But we'll rise again, you know. Why not pick out on my youth? I say I always lazy. Say you always lazy. I didn't take you off. Move them myself for me. Take out them pipe off for me. No. Oh, you want to do that instead?
Easy, I want them in more.
Yeah, lean them up over there, so. Anywhere over there, so. Hmm? Oh. So we're gonna start the rebuilding process, you know. So this is used to be like a step to go inside the oh, there's a goat up on the hill up there. Sound like there's a goat. There's a goat up on the hill. Oh, you're telling what is up?
Yeah.
What else have you eaten, man? But you can't what is up?
He rope long, he can go way up 7 years.
Oh. Everything is gone, man. So for all the people that send me donation, thank you. Thank you to Russ, Chrissy, Scott, Lori, Kitty, Ingrid, Portia, you know, all the people in England who donated to rebuild the farm. The rebuilding process starting just after the New Year's. So if you're anywhere in Jamaica, I want to give you some help and some volunteer. We are right here. We accept volunteer. So if you want to come and give us a hand, we are right here. Yes. Now try that. Go there, eat it. Why is it torment? Huh? Jesus, guys. He's supposed to be the goat shepherd and instead he be the goat pest. That's his brother, his bigger brother. And you're all right, you're not sure? Come here. Come and show if you do something. Since you want something to do, come here.
Media, a high school,
Take out this out of this. And clean out the goat shit out of it. No, put on that. Take up on that. Put on that. That's why I'm lazy. Just take away. Leave up it. Just put it on. Just put it on right here. Put it on that. Hold it with your hand. No, just lift up it. Hold it with your hand. What are your two hands? I'll put it on this. You know what me notice? Why you know I hold it?
It's up in that.
Yes. Come, creep out that there.
What's the wall?
Yeah, that means you creep out this way also. Give us a stick and creep out this way also.
Are you your finger then?
But yam
Yeah,
shape
just take out that also.
finger.
Hey, take out that episode and scrape out this. Scrape out when I.
This,
Yeah, scrape out when I, sir.
let's report.
Just lean this up, lean it up. Lean it and scrape it out.
Enough lean. Feel me weak?
This water want change too.
Mary change it.
If I go to river, I'll catch water.
Water then in the drum.
Water in the drum?
Yeah.
Oh,
They full right up.
oh, no pump water in there?
The roof rain fall off and put up them flowers.
But we can't do anything, you know.
Oh, so we can put new water in this then.
And water I play.
That we use our water before.
Now,
Oh, now stop.
We plant things.
Okay. Creep out in my house.
We can't wait till this portion.
Yes, so here's used to be the step
Oh, it's very big.
where you go up in the farm, up in the goat house. So this is where you used to walk and go right here in the goat house. And now the goat house used to be all the way back there. Where you see those posts. All the way over there. This used to be the goat house and it's all gone. It's all gone, like all gone. Everything is gone. You know it's all gone away. So yeah.
you couldn't go on too.
So the rebuilding soon start. Coming up in the new year. So thank you for all the donors that donate for the rebuilding process. Yeah. We'll rise again, you know, just like a phoenix. Just put this, take out the sample on this. Yeah, everything we'll use again, yeah.
Everything we want to use, but call it board.
No,
No,
it would then up.
well then no good at.
Nobody can use back.
Yes, so I am still can use, but
That was low.
You have to go to
left the thing boy, your torment, you know, Jesus Christ. No,
me
sir.
machine, go chop some.
Same time,
What them?
In there, our people.
Yeah. You know, so you can't put your finger in your mouth now. So yes, come back to the farm. All the goats is over there in the hills. They went over there in the hills. You know, at the start of the video, you will see where they were. You know, we're letting them out. So, yes, if you watch. Yo. So look how big this post is. And look how big this one is too. And it's all on its side. To see it's the big posts. Big, these are concrete. So you can see how devastated the storm was. But I put on that I might chop it too. See, look how big it is. And the board was laying here, right on top.
They
And look,
make this a berry and die though.
Melissa push it all the way to the side. Yes. Okay, why not that one too? Yeah. Look on this one. This one lean. Mean lean. So, boy, come here. Why you never put back this? Come. The only thing that survives is a step. Put back this. This. Huh? Oh, so that over again.
Shit on me hand.
Yeah, when you're done, you go wash it. Put it up also. And put back the salt tonight. Lean them all over. That's the water. Make the water come out. The mosquito will kill her. Come here.
Okay.
Lean these over and make the water run out. Otherwise, mosquito kill them. Just turn them over. Just turn them over up on the top. Turn them up on the top. So on next one, turn over up on the top. See it? Mosquito in it already. See it? Yeah. The one that have pan you see it catching water. Just lean them over up on the top. Just lean them over up on the top. Just turn them over. Turn them over. You have to move that, man. You know, kill him, my youth. You have to move that, man. Because you know, get on the feet. You know, in that part. You can't open our hills, man. You can't get the green. You can't get it.
Wait. Let me chop him.
Come on, go there, man.
Wait.
Yes. As I was saying again, this is the remainder of nothing. So if you're anywhere in Jamaica for your vacation, you want to come over and volunteer, we're looking for some volunteers to clean up too. Yeah. Come take a 1 piece of board or 2 piece of board. This is what we're gonna do here. Clean up everything over there and ready to rebuild. And if you can't and you're online and want to donate, we accept donation. Anything. What you said? From $1 up, we take it. Cash up, Zelle.
Alpha Diamond.
Can cash up, Zelle, Plumber TV at iCloud.com. We take it. Or you can Zelle it to 612-386-2189. Zelle it out. We take it. Are you on YouTube? You can send me some super thanks. We take it too. Boy, talent. Yeah, we got to rebuild. We got to rebuild, man. I have to rebuild us. Can't let it go away. People ask why I didn't have insurance. Yes, that's a good question. Why I didn't have insurance? Because they just started the system here in Jamaica for farming insurance. And I wasn't here at the time. So now we're gonna get it, but you know, we didn't have it at the time. You know. So after 200 can get it. 200 can get it. You know I use it, hey, it's 200, it's 200. Hey, let me better way. That's I say I get licking. No, making ink click.
But
turn on the solar part, make it charge. Turn on the solar part. Alright, me I want for you too.
Why?
Yeah. Huh?
I sense the diamond.
Oh, you got to go by here. Okay.
I know only one green grass.
Oh.
So him stay.
Yeah, when you done, you'll get some bag. Oh, you don't need nothing right now. You don't need it. Right now, you don't need it.
I want solar one.
I'm videoing right now, so you don't need nothing right now.
You don't want nothing.
Not at all. You don't need solar, nor sonar, nor shamar, nor manar. You don't need nothing.
Just starving. That is
This is
starving.
Jamaican kids, man.
Which one you give me? Current one or the solar one?
Correct.
What? Speak
Yeah.
English.
Which one you give me?
What's your name?
English,
What's your name?
Speak English.
What's your name?
My name is Dog.
Turn on to the camera. Turn on to the camera. You're going to see yourself on YouTube. So go on. Look on YouTube, you'll see yourself.
You got a rich boy.
You got, yeah. You're richer than a rich and rich and rich. You're going to be a star on YouTube.
A top star.
He's here on the farm helping out, but he don't really do a lot of help. It's mostly his brother. His brother is the one that sent out the goat and let out the goat. And... Yo, come and show something. No you. Your brother come back.
Which one you give me? Current one or the solar
Yeah.
one? Eh?
Yes, man.
You see, when after a holiday, you see, we are get some of them and plant over there. So, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So that means when like at daytime, when say cut the house for them. No, it's alright. You know why now? You're too tired, I'm not getting on my shit. Yes, as I was saying. So this is all of I show you my farm. It's all gone. It's all underground, man. So thank you for your support. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your upliftment. Yes, there's a lot of people that, say nice stuff. You also have another, people also,
Don't want that one that for Chris.
huh?
A green one.
Any one of them, any one of them you can't find. But it's alright, when you're going to get the drill, and just come back with the drill
That's cool.
and screw them out and we take care of everything. You understand? We want to find the plug though. The plug part for you, wait.
Man, that is searching.
I'm not searching where? I don't find it.
It's searching all around.
It's probably not one of them, one of them board there.
When we pick up a board, them we search.
You don't look for it and not find it?
And that's how
Yeah, somewhere off here though. Cause if we find a card, a feed card, that the card we find it so.
We know see a field card, but a card now no use again.
No man, it's still
Then have
good.
the plug part.
No, it's still good. You still can get one plug connect to it.
This is probably bury and that dirt or something.
Yep. I think it's on one of these posts. You probably when we move these, you're gonna be somewhere off right here. Because this is the front door was plugging at the front door right here.
Yeah, but in next one we find it over Friday so we find it.
Where?
That'll blow a same place.
Cross wire sir?
Friday so we find it, yeah.
Oh,
Two of them were plugging in same place.
okay. You know what you're trying to do? Stop pallet there so. Put it on there so too. That one so. That's a goat then can sleep on, you understand?
What them eat this?
I'm gonna get down it too.
You too, oh?
Daddy, I see a thing.
No, they don't eat that. They don't eat that yet.
They're young.
They're young. They don't eat that when they're young. You eat young mango?
No, I find big bread.
Ah, that me say. So this is one of the guy that in charge of the goats too. Help his dad. You know. Sun is coming up in the valley. So you want to get some water in this for them? What I jump? Wash out, you know. Soap over there?
Soap. have to remember not to support today.
I want to get that good post.
That would,
Oh, I want to man when cut up so.
yeah. One.
Oh, okay.
They blow them one.
Then plant deep, man. We have to clear here so too.
Plant deep, but water soak, then you start out the dirt every.
You right, that's why we have to clear here so we can so we are get the sun.
Sun.
Yeah.
Or over here so we can drop the sun somewhere over here so too.
No, jump here for you.
Huh? No, so it's sunny, but
No, yeah, so.
yeah. Yeah, so we have to.
Jump here, so.
So as I'm saying, so thank you for your support, my subscriber and my supporter, from the bottom of my heart. You know, like Lori, Chrissy, Kitty, Grandma,
I'm out of money here.
Scott, Russ and Kim. Yeah, and your Kim, your daughter, I forgot her name right now. But you know, yeah, thank you guys for your support. Ingrid and stuff like that. Portia. Thank you guys for your support.
Portia.
Tell the people thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Come, big up yourself.
Mm.
Say it. Thank you.
Thank you and big up
Big up
yourself.
that camera.
Thank you and big up yourself.
Thank you and big up yourself.
From where you call him? Plumber Farm. Say thank you.
Thank you and big up yourself from Plumber Farm.
Sir.
Thank you
for
and big
watching.
up yourself from Farm.
So support, like, share, comment, Plumber Farm.
Support, like, share and comment.
Support, like, share and comment. My look there, you both right down.
Yes, this is the devastation of my farm. As you can see, everything is on the ground. Everything gone. I'll post, it's metal and it's twisted. That's what I bottom I put down. Go put down this one. Yeah. Go put down that pen. Come on, walk, go there, go there.
What trouble there?
Yeah, we're going there, see. Oh, the plant them blow down too.
He goat. Can you kill them?
Huh?
He goat them.
Yeah, bean. Yeah, man. But it would keep like straight to me, see me in the front. And I wait for more and more. Acha. I bet see your daddy come here, because he love to do the trouble. Eh? Subscribe to Flower TV and like. I look below. You see that bell? Just hit it.
I can leave.
I can bother.
You see, please, me tell you, look. Afraid. You see, when he big ground move at the time that him come out.
You know, feel I know, man.
He afraid of the big ground.
So you know, say he food sick. You know, say he big
Big
gram.
ground man hold him.
You know, say food sick. If he big gram, hold him. This time the big gram of fire straight in our ear. He might hear me in our
I'm gonna check too much, mate. And don't care before.
What's that telling? One telling. Don't lock. Fly.
This is talking head. Hey! Water them there.
I can't really from a wood for like. I'm not going to. Let me get up. Yeah? What, Tana? What's Shaggy doing? Shaggy and the ram there. Shaggy and the ram goat, they look last time. Shaggy beat me. Alright. Shaggy. Okay. The mother goes beat me. Jamaica. Rocking on the Jamaica. So, blessings around with girl. We girl want wine for we and a bottle for we.
This is all my goat pen right here.
Blessings around.
From hurricane. That's why the hurricane left. Everything is in rumble.
What are my birthdays? Subscribe to Plumber TV. I'm Superman Plumber TV. I'm Superman. Now climb over my friends for me. I'm Superman. I'm taking a color room. Wee!
Color over there.
No?
Clean it up. Cabbage or cabbage and pepper.
Cabbage and one over here.
Yes. Cabbage. I'm going to make a bit with nobody will make you hold in a pan now.
No one, something else, don't have some. It's not cabbage.
Eh?
So we got pepper.
You don't know what done there. A cabbage alone eat them implanted there.
Oh,
That's too loud.
They may come in like a grass.
I want them okay, pepper.
More after them then. You see any grass, I do a weed out it.
You know what is grass?
But grass come in different ways.
Oh, they are pepper.
No,
Look at cabbage.
pepper leaf more broader.
No one, they are young ones.
Young lion.
They're going to fire.
No, firecracker.
For Chris. I can't tell you.
Before the storm, this was all scotch bonnet. Yeah, the storm take away everything. This used to be my goat house. And it's right here now. Yeah. That is smell. What, no, water outside of us, man. The side of us, man.
Water.
No, water over here, sir.
Me come with the
No, me look funny. Me know when something water. Come water over here, sir.
Okay, me hand over there.
That plant bubble gum.
Hey boy, yes. Hey boy. Take your time, man.
Know him?
Beat it done, bro. Ready? If you let me ready, I'm ready.
Line up on me.
Watch out.
Yeah, I feel light. One light in there, so.
Yeah, man. This guy was man. You know there.
Done, man.
Yeah, you got too much of. What is it?
I'm a nurse, man.
Beat it up. Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah, Melissa work everything.
Melissa doing job.
Melissa more thing.
Melissa, your sister.
No, Melissa, not my sister. Melissa's thing cut like she. But thinking Melissa.
This used to be part of my coat. My goat house. She goat house. And the
I'm better
curtains.
to her over this.
You know, over there, this used to be the roof. And look at this. This is like 2x6, 2x6 framing, 2x4 framing. And look at this. It's all the way out here. Look up there. Those are some of my roof over there.
Plenty.
It fly like a bird.
I believe I can fly.
I believe me can hold this Mario has two grass in back and then run for one thing.
All baby.
All ball baby walk away.
All baby.
Make it walkie volleyball.
Grassroots, baby.
All ball belly twist of the belly.
All baby.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. We will try to build again with your support over here at Plummer Farm. And up here used to be Jason mother house. Our Lin house, this granny house. This is what left of it. Here is the bed. Everything. It's right here. Some is over there too. So that's what Melissa do, man. Destruction everywhere. That's part of the building. Take the light wire with it. Yes. That's my building over there. Wow. Look on the other sides. Even a tree that's over 100 years old. Move it away. Right there, here's my bar to be. You ready?